So good Monday morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show from the Panettoni Cafe. My name's Winston Norman and here are the highlights for today's show. The Dot Group has completed the acquisition of CRM Students, becoming the largest student housing operator in Europe. Slovak developer enters the German market. Prime Capital opens a shopping mall in Pietrykowska, Romania. And the availability of prime offices in central Warsaw is shrinking.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Winston, thank you for those great headlines, and great to see you're all at the Panettoni Cafe today. I'm missing those great breakfasts this morning. Anyway, a lot of interesting headlines here for this Monday morning, kind of holiday week here in Poland and a little bit in Europe as well. A lot going on with our awards event. We have one more before the summer, which is the Baltic Real Estate Awards in Sopot, Poland. A lot happening up there at the Radisson Hotel. So that will be May 23rd. A lot of new sponsors, a lot of new jury. I think we announced the jury even last week. And short list come out, and take a look at our website, see if you're on the short list. A lot of companies have been named there, and a kind of record number of nominations as well this year. So very exciting. Our second annual event. So it's a good group of Scandinavians, also everyone from the Baltic countries, and of course Poland and Western Europe. So a lot of good information coming out there. A lot of nice people to meet. Interesting new opportunities as well. We're here at the Marina Club in Mikołajki. Very nice area, very nice hotel, and nice lakes here as well. So I'll be here a couple more days, and also a hotel that's up for nominations at our event. So having said that, we'll take a little break and we'll come right back with Winston Norman and the news.
Thanks, Craig. Welcome back. And the Dot Group, a leader in student living in Europe, has announced the acquisition of CRM Students. And CRM Students will become a part of the broader Dot Group and operating alongside Yugo, which is a global student brand operator. And the acquisition extends Dot's global footprint into 4 new European countries of Austria, Italy, Poland, and Portugal, and embeds continued growth in Germany and Spain, and also significantly expands its UK presence. And according to Nicholas Porter, CEO of the Porter Group, the transaction supports our strategic expansion into existing and key new markets, allowing us to embed our expertise across Europe to deliver performance, efficiency for investors in the student housing sector. Moving on, and JTRE, Slovakian developer, has established a German branch and announced its first project in the central Berlin location. Their first project will be in the emerging Europa City Modern District. Groundwork will is set to begin, and the scheduled completion of the project is in the summer of 2027. And according to Łukasz Sasik, Director of International Operations at JTRE, Europa City is a large project in the central Berlin district between the Meln railway station and historic harbour near the government quarter. This long disused brownfield site will be transformed into a new urban district for 16,500 residents, covering 40 hectares in a prime area. This project's wide range of services will make this high-profile project for all in Berlin. Moving to Romania, and real estate developer Prime Capital has opened Argus Mall, a new shopping centre spanning 77,000 square metres in Pieste. The mall is the biggest in Argus County and in the southern region, and was completed for an investment of more than 100 million euros. The project features over 140 stores, and the retail anchor is Carrefour. And this is the biggest retail delivery to date in Romania for 2024. And finally for today, according to the latest report by Newmark Polska, the Warsaw office market is entering a period of increased focus on repurposing and refurbishment of office buildings. As office availability in central Warsaw declined in non-central locations, development activity remains stable but relatively weak, with a significant concentration of new offices projects in central zones, which accounted for nearly 90% of total office stock under construction. And according to Newmark, Agnieszka Giermakowska, the coming years are likely to see upgrading and repurposing gathering momentum, with demolition of older buildings expected to make way for new office builds. It is also worth emphasising the refurbishment is also an excellent opportunity to improve the energy efficiency of office buildings in line with ESG standards. And those are the news highlights for today. For more news, please join us again tomorrow.
Great Monday morning. A lot of exciting things happening here in the news, and we will see you Tuesday morning as well. So stay safe and stay healthy.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.